Hello everyone and welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at folder naming and structure. In simple terms, organization. How do you organize your files? How do you lay them out? And how do you prevent yourself 3 to 4 years from now from wondering what was the last file, what was it?
So this is the folder naming structure I use whenever I'm working on projects. The folder naming structure I use is laid out below. So I have a folder where I put my styles. So this is where I put my styles. For example, my plan and profile template, my section template, my design speed, my style template. This is where I put most of the things that I use so much. Let's say where I get my super elevations from. Then we have the surveyed data. Then I have the base map that has different, let's say, data from different regions, some from OpenStreetMap, from other areas. This is where I put my surfaces. This is where I put my vertical and horizontal alignment, which I'll be using this. Now this is where normally I do when I do shortcut corridors, this is where I open my new corridors and I have a number. So when you're doing like interchanges, I would have like IC1 corridor, IC2, IC3, IC4. Vertical would also have IC1, IC2, IC3, IC4. They'll be in folders. Then this will be now for the sections, which are the cross sections. I would have my final plan and profile here. I would have my earthworks, which I would use for the quantity takeoffs. I would have output. Now output is where I put my final plan profile cross sections because that's the main information that's needed. And then my takeoff sheets setting out data. Reference is my my final is where I put reference data that they've given me. This is gravity, this is pipe networks and laying out everything. Bridge design, this is where I send the information to InfoWorks like we shall be doing. Here, in case I need information, I'm starting with InfoWorks. This is the InfoWorks folder, and then finally 3ds Max, which I use for doing the visualization. Now you can also add Lumion and add anything else, but I prefer to use this as the folder naming structure. So just open a zip file, download the zip file called folder naming, or just this, and copy it every time you use it. So feel free to use this as you wish.